Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 11. This is Section 1.3, Problem 11. It says find the perimeter of the figure, and we have a rectangle that's 12 feet across the bottom and 8 feet on one side. So the perimeter is the distance all the way around. So I happen to know that the bottom is 12 feet across because that information is given, and because the rectangle, the top would also be 12 feet, and I have given information that the right edge of the rectangle is 8 feet, so the left edge would also be 8 feet. So the perimeter, again, being the distance all the way around, I just want to add all those sides. So you can start from any side and add 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12, right? 8 plus 12 plus 8 plus 12. And now if I add that up, 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. So I'll write the 0 from the 20 and carry the 2 to the top of the next column and add 2 plus 1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus another 1 is 4. So I get an answer of 40. And because my units of measure are feet, we can call that 40 feet. The perimeter, or distance all the way around this rectangle, is 40 feet.